Hi, this is Todd. Welcome to the Sirius project. This video I'm going to give you a quick tour of this shop cabinet I made as a grinder stand now that I need to get my grinder out and have it ready to go in order to do any lathe work. So, hope you like it. Alright, let's take a look. First I got the regular typical grinder. I upgraded the left tool stand with the Veritas tool stand. This cabinet's just made out of scrap MDF that I had around. Show you what that pedal's for in a minute. Okay, now I'm going to show you a little bit of how that pedal works. So I just made this by gluing together and screwing together a couple of little hand-cut pieces of wood. And then here's the machining part of this project. Is I machined this out of just some half-inch rod stock that I bought at Home Depot. Machined it down to about 3/10 of an inch. I drilled and tapped the hole there in the center, 832 for this screw. And then because I wanted it to look kind of the same on both ends, I cut off another piece of that half-inch stock to be kind of the washer. So this is the pin that goes through that pedal coming out the bottom. And there you go. That's how it flips down. It needs to flip all the way down so that I can open that bottom drawer when the cabinet is sitting down off the casters. This is the component that you can't see underneath the cabinet that raises and lowers the cabinet on the casters. So you can see that this handle is what sticks out, and that pin that I just showed you goes through there, and that raises and lowers this contraption, and which in turn raises and lowers the leading edge and the trailing edge of this thing. And there's some cleats underneath that cabinet that it raises and lowers by going up and down. So you can see how I made it, just like Carl does. A couple of strap hinges, free swinging casters, and off we go. All of this cabinet was made out of scrap wood, stuff I've had in the shop for a long time. You might want to take a look here at the way I just attached that on the bottom, the handle. There's another look at it upside down. So, when the handle's up, cabinet's on the base, nice and solid. When the handle's locked down with that pedal, you can roll the cabinet around. There's one of the cleats in the bottom of the cabinet that the lift contraption lifts the cabinet on.
that's the cabinet. Hope you like it. Leave some comments, click like and subscribe, share with your friends. See you soon.